that's half of our pint of chocolate ice cream. I'm gonna bring in my chocolate graham cracker crust, and we're adding that half to our pie crust. Oof. Perfect. All right, now I'm gonna grab my spatula and kind of flatten out our chocolate ice cream into our chocolate pie crust. Now you can home make your own pie crust if you prefer, but I think that this is gonna be absolutely perfect and great for the summertime. So we are just making sure that our layer of chocolate ice cream is nice and flat. All right, we're not gonna be able to get that layer perfect, so we're gonna leave it at that. And now I'm gonna come in with my cherry pie filling, and we're gonna do a layer of our cherry pie filling on top of that chocolate ice cream. We're just gonna add as much as it needs so that we can cover up that ice cream perfectly. Ooh, this is gonna be a fun and delicious dessert. You can customize it to your liking. You could do a vanilla ice cream with a regular graham cracker crust. You could do whatever pie filling you like. You could do a strawberry pie filling, but I think chocolate and cherry are a beautiful combination. All right, I'm gonna put this in the freezer for a second. Then grab a medium bowl and a whisk. I have my pistachio instant pie filling, and we're gonna go ahead and add that entire 3.3 ounce box to our bowl. I'm gonna bring my measuring cup, and we're gonna add 1 3/4 a cup of milk. Perfect. Add that right into our delicious smelling pistachio pie filling, and we are just gonna whisk this together. You gotta make sure that your milk is extra cold so that this can thicken up, but this is gonna complement that chocolate ice cream, that cherry pie filling, that chocolate graham cracker crust. This is just gonna be so incredible. This is gonna be a fully no-bake dessert, just the way I like it. Super easy for a Sunday party when you just wanna throw something together. If it's hot outside, this will really be refreshing. So we're just gonna make sure we mix this up until it's fully combined. All right, we let that pudding fully set. Now we're gonna bring back our pie that was in the freezer. You could tell that those cherries kind of sink in a little bit, and that's exactly what we want. Now we're gonna grab our spatula, and we are going to add our pistachio pudding right on top of those cherries. Oh my goodness, this is looking so good. We have chocolate ice cream, cherry pie filling, now pistachio pudding, and we're gonna make sure that we spread this out so that it's a nice layer on top of our pie. Try to get everything covered. It's okay if it's not perfectly covered, because we are gonna make sure this is nice and beautiful before we serve it to our guests. Ooh. All right, let's get this spread out. All right, we're just smoothing that out once more. We're gonna put that to the side. I have here my piping bag and my piping tip in a glass cup. And I have my Cool Whip. Now you can make homemade whipped cream if you want, but we're adding our Cool Whip right into our piping bag because we are going to make that pie look absolutely delicious. Now, if you wanted to just layer it on, you could, but we want this to be presentable. So we're gonna add about half of our Cool Whip into our piping bag and get that all situated. We have that pie, and we're gonna do little rosettes right on the sides of our pie. And look how pretty those are. Just shows you that you can make a beautiful dessert without doing anything from scratch. It's gonna taste absolutely delicious, and it's gonna wow your guests. Woo! And to complement that cherry pie filling, I have my maraschino cherries, and we're gonna pop one on each of our little rosettes. All right, now our spumoni pie, yes, you heard that right, is ready. We're gonna go ahead and cut right into it. Look at those layers. Yummy. Oh, I am so excited. Get everything all in one bite.
Is it good?
Oh, that is so good. You're gonna absolutely love this.